Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the modes of operation. I am on the RLX, so the DRO is the first mode of operation. This is a manual mode where I'm allowed to go ahead and jog the machine. I am allowed to give it a spindle RPM. I can display my X and Z axis and zero those wherever I need to. So you can see with the spindle, RPM, and feed rate, we have overrides rated in this mode as well. So there's a couple other things you can do, but let's jump into the program. This is the programming mode, is where we can create a program. I already have something in here, but in this mode we have a lot of different types of things that you can do, from turning to threading, grooving, boring. And we'll come back later when I do a segment on the actual program. We'll come back to the programming mode. The edit mode, this is where I can actually erase a program. I can do some global editing, a couple other things. The setup mode, this is where I can simulate my program once it's been done. I can simulate it in a solid. I can also come in here and set up my tooling. So this is a great place to go at that time. The run mode displays the axis and the speed and the feed. This is where you actually would run the program. When I press the start button, it'll start from the beginning. If I press this other key here, where I can start on any event number I'd like in the middle of the program. The last mode of operation is the program in and out mode. And this is where I can upload and download programs. So when I do program something, I want to go ahead and save it to the USB. We have 4 different slots in the back of the control where we can put in our thumb drive. And you can hold many programs, we can create folders, and we can preview the program prior to loading it. There's a lot of things like that we can do. So this is just a quick overview on the modes, and we're always going to be in one of these modes when you're on the control.